Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. Now, this is one of those things that you want to buy from an authorized dealer. You don't want to buy this gray market. Also, you don't want to buy a homage or a replica or anything like that. You want to get the real deal and make sure you get it from an authorized dealer. Alright, so I did purchase this from an authorized dealer, Amazon, and it was shipped right to my door. So yeah, you want to buy the authentic item, not a homage. And this is very important to the channel. I use this quite often. So let's just rip into it and get one of these out of here and check it out. Let's zoom in and take a closer look at it. Don't worry about that. You can handle it. Get some measurements, some specs on this, dimensions. No, I don't have my scale down in the studio here, so I guess I won't be able to weigh it, but we can get some dimensions here. Now let's do it in millimeter. What the heck? So let's see, what would this be? Oh yeah, let's do diameter. 106.8 millimeter diameter. Lug width is the same thing. 100 and well, I guess it's 107, so it's not quite a perfect circle. And thickness, 48.5 millimeter thick in that dimension there, and that dimension there, 15.5 millimeter thick, 16.1, somewhere around there. So yeah, you can get different kinds of this. I went with the heavy duty, better than medium duty and light duty. Heavy duty is for heavier duty stuff like shipping stuff all over the world. And yeah, happy to be able to have the opportunity to purchase one of these. Didn't have to wait in too long of a line. Didn't have to buy a bunch of other like stuff like staples or paper clips. I could just go and buy the actual one that I wanted to buy. So let's get this off the wrist, and we'll do a wrist shot with this up close, out far, and then we'll close out the video. No loom, so we don't need to do a loom shot. So yeah, look at that. There it is on my 6.5 inch wrist up close here. And then we'll zoom out for a little bit different perspective. I think it's a little bit too big for my wrist. Can't really see myself wearing this out and about. Just do a wrist shot for the video here. And the more you use it, the smaller it becomes. So it might actually look okay on my wrist. So yeah, that's a nice feature. The more you use, the smaller it gets. So, all right, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for taking the time, and thank you for watching.